Hey everyone, I just want to start off by saying thank you for liking and commenting on the last video that we had made. It helped out a lot, giving me some ideas to create some drinks for you guys while you're sitting at home. So first, we saw that someone wanted to do something with peach vodka. There was a lot of other vodka options, so we wanted to also include the jalapeno margarita. Now it's not going to be a margarita, but we did include jalapenos with this drink. So first, now you don't need any of this bartending equipment or anything like that. You can grab any glass that you have in the shelf. That way it's easier. You don't need to go buy out and buy a bunch of extra stuff. But first, 1.5 ounces of the peach vodka. Now I'm not telling you that you need to use only 1.5 ounces. I know you guys are just sitting home alone, so you guys can go wild with anything you want to do. But next is going to be 1/2 ounce simple syrup. And grab your jalapenos sliced, drop it all in there. Now, this is called a dry shake. There's no ice in there or anything like that, so you just take it, kind of infuse all that flavor in there together. Give it a few good shakes. Take the glass out. Now you're gonna pour this over your glass with ice in the glass. Put all that in there. Give all that. And then last, you're gonna take your pineapple juice and pour it right over top. All right. And there you have it. You got yourself a jalapeno infused peach vodka drink.